Hello friends, it's me Jefina, and today I'm going to be solving the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. First, start by solving a white. So you just have to connect pieces together. I'm sure that's easy for you. If there's a piece at the bottom, go down, side, and up, and the piece is at the top. But if you have to try, and if you try going that, another piece will go down. So do this algorithm: down, side, up to make it go. But you might be asking me, but Jefina, the edges aren't correct. Well, that's what the next step. So you have to go down one, side one, and up. Look at what color there's at the bottom. For me, there's blue. Now go to the next piece that's blue. Over here, I have a blue piece right here, and I just have to connect it over there. So down, replace it with this piece, and up. And right now, I have a red. So that means I have to put it here. Same algorithm, but just you don't replace anything. To make a whole half cube. Wasn't that easy? Now, let's start with the other side. So the next part is to complete the yellow square. So let's start. Just go up, side, down, side, up, side, side, down. If you got a piece right there, well, good job. Just try to look for this pattern and make it go in front and keep on doing the pattern. Sometimes you can do it the opposite way. Like up, side, down, side, up, side, side, down. And that might help doing the top yellow square, but it's your choice. Now, since I have one green square all done, I have to leave at the back and do this algorithm. Down, side, down, and then back 2 times, and then up, side, down, like upside down, and then back 2 times, and then flip it 2 times, and then there you go. You've got a beautiful, perfect cube.